Whoa, this watch is completely scratched up and blurry. Can it really look new again? Well, it seems like our conservator is determined to change that as he begins the most intricate and detailed restoration we have ever witnessed. Well, let's start disassembling each and every piece of the Soviet military watch. The watch was made somewhere in the 80s, in the USSR, and is in extremely bad shape with no movement at all. I really wonder what this poor watch has been through to reach this condition. I can't believe how many tiny pieces are inside the watch. Will the conservator remember where each of the pieces belong? We definitely won't take time for granted after this, seeing what all it takes just to tell us the time. Well, time to clean up the parts that need to be washed out. The crystal is buffed and polished and looks brand new. The watch hands have lost their luminosity. So let's clean them up for a fresh coating. Whoa! The hands look so tiny on these toothpicks. Let's get to the other parts. The barrel arbor of the mainspring is broken, so let's replace it. These parts are so microscopic, and wow, talk about attention to detail. It's time to place each part intricately back into place one by one. One little mistake could mean the watch will no longer work after all this hard work. The reassembling part of the restoration is so satisfying to watch. This is a whole lot of parts. The inside is done. Time to add the external layers. Whoa! Is this really the same watch we started with? This is amazing!